Ashika Ranganath, hits and flops, all movies list up to Miss You movie. First movie, Crazy Boy, released in 2016, average. Second movie, Mass Leader, released in 2017, hit. Third movie, Mugulu Nage, released in 2017, super hit. Fourth movie, Raju Kannada Medium, released in 2018, hit. Fifth movie, Rambo 2, released in 2018, super hit. Sixth movie, Taige Takka Maga, released in 2018, average. Seventh movie, Koti Gobba 3, released in 2021, hit. Eighth movie, Madagaja, released in 2021, super hit. Ninth movie, James, released in 2022, super hit. 10th movie, Avatara Purusha, released in 2022, hit. 11th movie, Garuda, released in 2022, hit. 12th movie, Kane Yadavara Bagge Prakatane, released in 2022, blockbuster. 13th movie, Raimo, released in 2022, hit. 14th movie, Patta Thorasan, released in 2022, flop. 15th movie, Amigos, released in 2023, hit. 16th movie, Nasamiranga, released in 2024, flop. 17th movie, Avatar Purusha 2, released in 2024, average. 18th movie, Votu, released in 2024, average. 19th మూవీ మిస్ యూ. ఈ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయ్యి హిట్ టాక్తో దూసుకెళ్తోందన్నమాట.